Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by enabling the mobile hotspot on your phone and confirming the SSID and password. This is critical because the TV needs those exact details. Make sure your carrier plan allows tethering and that you have adequate data and signal strength, since streaming uses bandwidth. If your TV is older, switch the hotspot to 4 GHz to maximize compatibility. Once done, place the phone near the TV to reduce interference, and keep screen awake so the hotspot doesn't sleep during setup. On your smart TV, navigate to Settings, the Network or Internet setup and choose Wi-Fi. The TV will scan for available networks. Select the hotspot SSID you set on your phone and enter the password exactly, because a single character error prevents connection. Choose DHCP and automatic DNS unless you need custom addresses. This simplifies routing and avoids conflicts. If the TV asks to save or connect automatically, enable it. Once connected, the TV will likely test the connection. After the TV reports a successful connection, open a streaming app and play a short video to confirm smooth playback and sufficient bandwidth. Make sure to secure the hotspot with a strong password and disable tethering when finished to save data and battery. If the TV fails to connect, first toggle the phone's hotspot off and on, then reboot the TV. Many issues resolve that way. If problems persist, switch your hotspot band between 4 GHz and 5 GHz, or forget the network on the TV and reconnect to clear old settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.